So you might be in this weird situation where your AirPods are charged and it looks like they're turning on or whatever, but they're just not working. Now, this can mean so many different things. So the very first thing I'm going to go ahead and just kind of recommend and just throw out there is to make sure that within your specific AirPods that they are actually completely, not the case is charged, but the actual AirPods themselves are charged as well. These things are a little bit harder to actually indicate whether they're charged or not. So just make sure these things are charged and these things are functional. Take a close look at the bottom of these cases. So you can try cleaning them out, you can try doing whatever you can with them, and just make sure that within these specific AirPods that these things are charged as well. Because with the case, like I said, it may look like they're charged, but they may not be. So that's kind of the biggest thing and the biggest problem that you can probably run into sometimes. Now, if that doesn't end up working, you want to go and grab your device, and all you're going to want to make sure is to make sure that your specific AirPods are actually connected to your device. Now, as soon as you see your AirPods, if they say something like not your AirPods, that means they're not connected. So just go ahead and make your way over to your settings application of your iPhone or Android or whatever device you have, and go ahead and make your way over to your Bluetooth settings and make sure that the AirPods that you see are connected. If they say connected here, then you should be okay. But if they're not fully connected, that is going to be another issue. You should also be able to have some sort of like battery icon or battery widget that should also show you which devices you have. And just make sure that's not the problem either. As long as they're connected, if they're connected and they're showing they're charged, the other thing you're going to want to try doing is just make sure that the songs that you're playing are, fully compatible with your AirPods and everything like that. But also try increasing the volume. Sometimes your volume may just be low, and that might actually be the problem for you. So just go ahead, increase the volume and like a comfortable amount, and you want to see if that ends up, kind of fixing the problem too. If that doesn't end up working, just try repairing your AirPods to your device. Open up the lid, go ahead and hold down the back of your specific, AirPods, and you want to go ahead and basically repair them to your device. That's another very, very basic thing you can try doing, and that should end up fixing it for a lot of people as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.